What's cracking, y'all? PK from Smoke Rubber. It's been a minute. Today we're going to polish up our exhaust tips on the Volkswagen Touareg we have here. I'm going to be using a combination of things here. So we have this spray bottle with a secret concoction, which I'll reveal later. But it's worked really well for me in the past. It's nothing crazy. It's two parts of one thing and one part of something else. Anyway, and here's a scrubber. Because I want to try to get the grit off. It's pretty strong on it. And Nevr-Dull's also proved really well for me in the past with my other cars. Definitely cleans up the soot on the exhaust very well. So definitely recommend it. And let's take a look at the exhaust. Okay, so as you can see here, these are pretty caked up. But it's clean exhaust, everything works really well. I just want to make sure these are cleaned up and shiny again. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here's the first step. As you can see, pretty nasty, but it looks like it cleaned up pretty well. And the next step is to use the Nevr-Dull. See if you can protect some of this. I would like to have had like an extension, kind of like a detailing extension that has a ball sort of end, so I can get deeper in there. But not entirely impossible with just a little bit more elbow grease. So maybe in the future, but I think for now, it's a big difference over what it is. So just for comparison, here's what it looked like before. Very sooty, just a lot of caked on exhaust fumes and dust. Alright, so on to the second one. Here's the finished product. Nice and shiny. Lighting doesn't make it great, but it's definitely nice and clean. Way better than it was. Some little bit of pitting is there for sure if you look really up close, but I mean, I think the chrome polish just complements the rest of the trim on the car, and I just like that look right now. It did look kind of badass when it was just sooted up, but unfortunately this is not a diesel, and so can't really fake the funk there. And yeah, I hope you guys got something good from this. And let's tell you about the secret ingredient then. So what we have here is a bottle of warm water and Dawn dish soap. That's it. Just a couple of pumps of that warm water. It's important that's warm. You know, you let it kind of soak once you hit the areas you want to address, and then a Brillo pad. I mean, that does it just like you would your really bad dishes, right? If you're cooking something really nice. But anyway, that definitely broke up the grease really well and got the soot to come off. And the Nevr-Dull just applied that film onto it that gave it that polished look. It's very strong in odor, but it worked really well. So yeah, guys, if you want a quick way to clean up your exhaust, you want to go ahead and use a little bit of dish soap with warm water, let it soak, hit it with a Brillo pad, and you're good. The Nevr-Dull is going to help you finish it all up and make it look smooth. All right, till next time.